More breaking updates coming in from Maharashtra. The Navy veteran has now demanded the culprits must be charged with attempt to murder. He said that he was attacked brutally by the goons and would not have survived if he did not have military training. He also claimed that he was unable to see properly in one eye.
मुझे लगता है कि अटेम्प्ट टू मर्डर होना चाहिए केस, क्योंकि मुझे धमकी दे के बुलाया गया है।
धमकी दे के बुलाया
हाँ,
गया है।
एक
बड़ी बात।
कदम झूठ बोल करके भी जिसमें झूठ बोला गया है ताकि आप आ जाओ, और फिर मेरे ऊपर अटैक हुई है। अगर मैं उतना सक्षम नहीं होता, मिलिट्री मैन नहीं होता, तो मैं उधर बचा नहीं पाता मैं।
All right, that's the latest update now coming in. The Navy veteran who was attacked in Maharashtra has now reacted, saying that attempt to murder case must be filed against those who are responsible for this. We have in fact seen this entire incident that has taken up where we're looking at an attack that has taken place on the Navy veteran who was roughed up, slapped at his residential complex in the suburban Kandivali area. Now we're given to understand, we have a reaction that has come in from the Navy veteran who has in fact said that an attempt to murder charge must be filed against all those culprits. He was, remember, brutally attacked by the goons and he would not have survived if he did not have military training. That's the statement that is coming in from the Navy veteran at this point. He also went on to say that there is of course he is unable to properly see in one eye as well. So that's the latest update coming in this entire case. Remember, there's a lot of reactions also coming in following the attack on the Navy veteran that took place at his residential complex in suburban Kandivali on Friday morning. Now we're given to understand that with this we've seen several reactions that are coming in and several questions being raised on the Shiv Sena at this point as well on the attack that has taken place, and there has been politics that has also been now at its peak over the attack that has taken place on the Navy veteran, which has also come in from the BJP and several others who have questioned how the state of Maharashtra is really running amok with the fact that a Navy veteran has been attacked in broad daylight in Maharashtra.